Hi, I'm Craig and welcome back to the Blue Ape Renewables YouTube page. Where today we'll be talking about how advancements in solar energy and artificial intelligence are making renewable energy products even more efficient and helping property owners reduce the bills even further. Right now, solar installations in the UK are growing extremely fast, with over 17 gigawatts of solar installed, which equates to 5.7 million installations. More and more people are looking at solar as a solution to offset these rising energy costs. Now, let's find out more about how AI is making solar energy systems and renewable energy solutions even more effective and efficient for property owners. Over to Josh, who will explain more.
Thanks, Craig. AI is brilliant. It's making us all efficient, and this is especially, well, in particular, in the solar industry. AI collects historical data, whether that's from the manufacturer itself or whether that's from your own home data, to then give you real-time information to what you're likely to gain from energy that day from the sun. Now I'll hand you over to Lewis, who's going to discuss what products we have here at Blue Ape have AI within them and how it can best optimize your installation.
Thanks, Josh. Now let's take a look at some of the AI-powered products that Blue Ape Renewables use. So one of the batteries we install here at Blue Ape Renewables is the GivEnergy all-in-one battery. It adapts to price changes and grid demand and makes that battery more cost-effective for yourself, which results in future savings. So the Tesla Powerwall 3 uses advanced AI to optimize and track your home's patterns. It will store energy at the lower rate, and then that will allow you to use that inside of the property when it's at a higher rate coming off the grid. The Tesla Powerwall 3 has a storm watch feature. This uses AI to monitor weather patterns and automatically adjust your Powerwall so it's prepared for extreme weathers. It will ensure your Powerwall is fully charged in the event of a power cut.
Looking ahead, the future of AI and solar panels holds a lot of potential. From AI helping solar panels perform more efficiently alongside battery storage, and also AI helping in the production of sourcing cheaper materials and manufacturing costs, making solar even more accessible than it already is for property owners. So there you have it. That's how artificial intelligence, or AI, and solar energy are working hand in hand to make solar energy more effective, efficient, and cost-effective than it already is for property owners moving forward. For more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And for a consultation with either myself or another one of our system designers, please click the Calendly link below and we'll be able to assist you even further with your renewable energy future. Bye.